Okay, everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if you have an issue, if you have no volume on your stereo, or your stereo won't power off. This is on your JK models 2007 to 2018. Originally what happened, started my Jeep today, had no sound in the stereo. Ran a couple errands, came back, stereo wouldn't turn off. Typically, you know, as soon as you open up the door, stereo powers down. Wouldn't do it. I parked in the garage. All doors are closed. Come back 20 minutes later, radio's still on. I'm going to show you what to do if that happens. And now my stereo has no volume. It's like the stereo's not powering down. You gotta come over here where your fuse panel is. And what you see is that green fuse right there. You need to pull that fuse and everything will power down. The fuse is labeled M12 and it's your amplifier fuse. Now the M10, which is just above it, it's supposed to be for the radio. I pulled that one and it did not work. The amplifier fuse is the one I pulled and it did the trick. I don't know why it did it, but it is what it is. That's all I can tell you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.